My name is Ryan Pukansky. I'm the Business Systems Supervisor at Volant Products, Inc. Volant Products, we are world leaders in casing installation. We assist customers with well construction, and we manufacture tools that are sought after around the whole entire world due to their safety and their efficiency. In order to get an efficient well drilled, there's different requirements and different parameters in the environment. With Infor and CPQ, that allows us to kind of translate those requirements into solutions for our customer. So software-wise, we utilize a full Infor suite. So we run SyteLine, we run Configurator, Factory Track, as well as Infor LTR. Using all those technologies, the benefit is that it's one kind of platform. Everything knows how to talk to each other, and there's no customization required in order to do that. When we have a single source of truth for our information, our customers are getting a consistent product every single time they do their ordering. We don't have to dig through Excel sheets or dig through different places where people are storing data. There's no silos of data anymore. It's all in one spot. And so that way we have a consistent database of information that we can utilize and give to our customers. With Configurator and before, it would take us about 2 hours to quote one single tool. We would go in and try to do a quote as best we can. We would send that to our engineers to check over. They would do all of their calculations and send it back to sales. With CPQ, we've now gotten it down to 30 seconds. So that is a huge time saver for us. And we are confident that these quotes are going to be 100% accurate when they go to the customer. So what this means is that when a customer requests something from us, we now can go into CPQ, get that quote within a minute or two and send it back to the customer. And at that time, they're most likely to buy as well. They're not waiting 3 or 4 days for a quote to say, hey, you know what, maybe I figured something else out. I don't need this anymore. It's almost instantaneous. And we can actually say, yes, we can build this for you right away. Or, hey, do you want us to engineer a couple of parts for you and we will get this out the door. So now our engineers can actually spend time doing new product development or customer-specific development, and it has allowed us to spend that time developing whole new product lines that actually solve a whole bunch of different problems for our customers. We also like the fact that SyteLine has the customization capabilities, and that allows us to kind of tweak it in little places here and there where it needs to be tweaked, but the overall platform is designed for our industry already. So there's not really a need for those customizations unless absolutely necessary. In the next 6 to 12 months, we want to bring in some of our smaller product lines, just because we do have some smaller, different Excel sheets and databases out there. We want to move those into the system. And we would also like to just continue exploring the different options that CPQ and SyteLine have. With twice yearly releases, there's new technologies and new features coming through into the system.